Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Bank of America app not working. So if you're interested, let's get started. So the first thing you need to do here is you first have to ensure that you have the latest version of Bank of America mobile app. In this case, go ahead and visit Google Play Store or the App Store and see if you have the latest version. Now once you've done that, the next thing that you want to do is we want to clear some settings on the app itself. In this case, look for the Bank of America application that you have, press and hold on it. And once you press and hold on it, go ahead and click on App Info. Now in this case, what we need to do next is we need to choose the option that says Clear Data at the bottom right of your screen. And from here, click on the option that says Clear Cache. And from here, click on OK. Once you've done that, restart your phone and see if that solves your issue. Now, some things that you need to also check, so make sure they have a stable interconnection. Sometimes having a very slow interconnection can actually affect your usage of the app itself. So in this case, try using a different connection. So if you're using your mobile data, try a Wi-Fi connection. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.